Welcome back to Daily Drives, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. If you're a fan of classic trucks with a modern twist, you're in for a treat today. We're diving deep into one of the most exciting vintage-inspired releases of 2026, the Dodge Ram Vintage Pickup. This is the perfect blend of nostalgia and cutting-edge technology, built for those who appreciate both heritage and innovation. So, buckle up as we take an in-depth look at what makes this truck a game-changer. Dodge has always had a strong presence in the pickup truck market, with a legacy that dates back decades. Their Ram series has consistently pushed the boundaries of performance, capability, and style, but in recent years, there's been a growing trend toward bringing back classic designs with modern engineering. The 2026 Dodge Ram Vintage Pickup follows this trend, combining old-school charm with futuristic tech and power. The first thing that catches your eye is the design. Dodge has taken heavy inspiration from their legendary pickup models of the 1960S and 1970S. The front grille is a bold statement, featuring horizontal chrome bars reminiscent of the classic Power Wagon and first-generation Ram trucks. The headlights have that vintage rectangular look but incorporate modern LED technology for enhanced visibility and efficiency. The hood has a slight bulge, giving it a muscular stance that screams raw power. Moving along the sides, the body lines are clean and simple, much like the older models. Unlike the aggressive styling of modern trucks, this one has a more refined, boxy shape that pays tribute to its ancestors. Dodge offers a range of two-tone color schemes, a nod to the classic pickups that featured contrasting roof and lower body panels. The wheel arches are slightly flared, accommodating the larger all-terrain tires, perfect for both highway cruising and off-road adventures. At the rear, you'll find a classic step-side design, another throwback to the golden era of pickups. The tailgate features a large Dodge Ram script embossed just like the models from the past. The taillights retain the vertical shape of vintage trucks but use LED technology for a modern touch. And let's not forget the classic chrome bumper, something rarely seen in today's market dominated by plastic and matte finishes. Let's talk interior. Step inside and the blend of vintage aesthetics with modern luxury is evident. Dodge has crafted an interior that gives off a retro vibe while ensuring drivers get the best in comfort and convenience. The dashboard features analog-inspired gauges with digital displays seamlessly integrated. The classic toggle switches and rotary dials remain, but they now control high-tech features like climate control, infotainment, and driving modes. The seats are wrapped in premium leather, with quilted stitching reminiscent of old-school bench seats, but with the comfort of modern bucket seats. A wood grain finish on the dashboard and door panels adds to the nostalgic feel, making the cabin a perfect blend of past and present. There's even an option for a vintage-style steering wheel with a thin rim, something that old-school truck enthusiasts will absolutely love. Under the hood, Dodge has ensured this isn't just a showpiece, it's a powerhouse. The 2026 Ram Vintage Pickup comes with multiple engine options, catering to different kinds of truck lovers. The base model features a 3.6 LV6 Pentastar engine, delivering a solid balance of power and efficiency. But for those who crave more muscle, there's the legendary 5.7L Hemi V8, pushing out around 400 horsepower and offering that classic V8 rumble. And for the true performance enthusiasts, Dodge has thrown in a 6.4L Hemi V8 option, cranking out over 475 horsepower. This means the truck isn't just about looks, it's got the guts to back it up. There's also a hybrid option featuring a 3L turbocharged inline-six with an electric assist, offering impressive torque and fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. In terms of transmission, Dodge has kept things exciting. A 6-speed manual gearbox is available for those who want an authentic driving experience, something rare in modern trucks. Of course, an advanced 8-speed automatic is also offered, catering to those who prefer a more relaxed ride. This truck isn't just for show, it's built to handle work and adventure. The frame is constructed with high-strength steel, ensuring durability and capability. With a towing capacity of up to 12,000 pounds, the Ram Vintage Pickup can haul heavy loads with ease. The suspension setup includes an adaptive air suspension system, providing both comfort and performance depending on the terrain. For off-road enthusiasts, Dodge offers a special off-road package. This includes reinforced skid plates, an electronic locking differential, and upgraded shock absorbers, making it a beast on rough terrain. Whether you're taking it on a cross-country road trip or tackling muddy trails, this truck is designed to handle it all. Technology plays a huge role in making this truck a modern masterpiece. The infotainment system is a massive 12-inch touchscreen featuring the latest Uconnect interface. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation ensure you stay connected wherever you go. And for audiophiles, Dodge offers a premium Harman Kardon sound system, turning the cabin into a rolling concert hall. Safety is another strong point. The 2026 Ram Vintage pickup is equipped with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. This ensures that while you're enjoying the classic vibes, you're also driving one of the safest trucks on the road. Dodge has also made sure this truck is practical for everyday use. The bed comes with multiple configurations, including a spray-in bed liner, tie-down cleats, and even an integrated power outlet for running tools or camping gear. The tailgate features a multi-function design, allowing for easier access and loading. With all these features, the big question is, how much does it cost? Dodge has positioned the 2026 Ram Vintage pickup as a premium offering but still within reach for enthusiasts. The base model starts at around $45,000, while the V8 models range between $55,000 and $65,000. The fully loaded off-road and performance variants can push beyond $75,000, depending on options and packages. For collectors and classic truck lovers, this is a dream come true. The combination of vintage aesthetics with modern engineering makes it a unique offering in today's truck market. It's a tribute to Dodge's rich history while paving the way for the future of pickups. So what do you think of the 2026 Dodge Ram Vintage pickup? Would you take one for a spin or even add it to your garage? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of classic modern pickups, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Daily Drives. We bring you the latest updates, reviews, and insights from the automobile world. Turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.